I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes. First, gather all your essential ingredients, including 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, and 1 stick of unsalted butter. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Line a standard 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners, ensuring each cup is ready for the batter. Now let's create that delicious batter. In a large bowl, cream together 1 stick of softened unsalted butter and 1 cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, ensuring each is fully incorporated before adding the next. Gradually add 1½ cups of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, alternating with 1/2 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until just combined. It's time to bake. Carefully fill each prepared cupcake liner about 2/3 full with your batter. This ensures they rise beautifully without overflowing. Bake for approximately 18 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Once baked, let them cool in the muffin tin for about 5 minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents them from becoming soggy. The final, fun step is frosting and decorating. Make sure your cupcakes are completely cool before you begin, as warm cupcakes will melt your frosting. Prepare your favorite buttercream frosting, perhaps using 2 sticks of softened butter, 4 cups of powdered sugar, and a splash of milk. Use a piping bag with your preferred tip or a simple spatula to apply the frosting. Finish with colorful sprinkles or other delightful toppings for a personalized and festive touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.